Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Rutunjay and you're watching Pop Diaries channel. Today we have in conversation with someone who is omnipresent actor. When I say omnipresent, he's like everywhere. I mean it. He's like everywhere in television, in films, in regional films, OTT and whatnot. Like everywhere. So basically, sir, सब कर लिया रीजनल सिनेमा भी कर लिया
फिर से इंग्लिश में इतनी बातें कर ली ना, मेरे को पहले तो ओमनी प्रेजेंट का मतलब ही समझ में नहीं आया पहले तो, बट ठीक है, नाउ आई अंडरस्टूड व्हाट ही
basically
सब जगह
you're
यत्र तत्र
every
सर्वत्र इसे कहते हैं.
yeah
हाँ,
exactly
करेक्ट. हाँ
everywhere. So sir, basically जैसे मैंने कहा
जी.
कि you're everywhere and when I say everywhere I mean it because मैंने लास्ट 2-3 सालों में देखा है आप OTT पे भी हो, आप फिल्म्स कर रहे हो, आप वॉइस ओवर कर रहे हो, देन मराठी सिनेमा भी किया. कैसा लग रहा है? एंड डू यू थिंक, द क्वेश्चन इज, डू यू थिंक एक्टर्स इन जनरल नाउअडेज शुड अडॉप्ट दिस फॉर्मूला कि आपको शाय ऑफ नहीं होना चाहिए प्लेटफॉर्म्स ट्राई करने से या फिर नई नई प्रोजेक्ट्स ट्राई करने से?
कोई भी धंधा छोटा नहीं होता. सो नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, घर चल रहा है, इसके लिए इतना काम करना पड़ रहा है मुझे. बट नहीं, जोक्स अपार्ट, सीरियसली यार मुझे काम करने में मज़ा आता है. मतलब ऑनेस्टली मेरे लिए मीडियम क्या है या अच्छा काम है कि नहीं, बस मैं उस अच्छे काम की तलाश में रहता हूँ हमेशा. और जहाँ मुझे अच्छा काम है मैं घुस जाता हूँ. देन मनी एंड एज अ प्रोड्यूसर दैट डजंट मैटर. मेरे को अच्छा काम दिखना चाहिए. और टच वुड, आई बीन लकी ऑल्सो दैट मुझे कई अच्छे काम मिले. और मैं ऐसे ही लगा रहा हूँ शायद मुझे बहुत अच्छा काम भी मिलेगा.
But like actors
पोस्टर वाला.
nowadays, they often get shy, or they don't take a step forward to try different platform or different language. Like once you are in cinema industry, they don't go to OTT or they don't want to try television.
It's to each his own. मतलब it's everyone's perspective towards their career.
Right.
It's a career choice, and I'm nobody to suggest them what they know better,
Right.
what they want to do, and the way they are doing in their particular medium. If they are doing good and they're happy, there's no point experimenting and getting disheartened at some point in time. So better if you're doing that, and if you have that urge to learn more or experiment, then obviously you should try. You should give it a chance. You should approach people, or you should I think entertain people who approach you. So it's an individual choice, and I feel if you are happy doing what you are doing, your life is sorted.
Exactly. So, getting back to Bahubali now, 2 years, like 2 years, not 2 years, but years back when Rajamouli released the Bahubali, the conclusion, we all were happy and sad at the same time. Sad for a reason because we all thought the story ends here. The Bahubali world, we can't explore the Bahubali world again. But now, with this announcement and this show coming up, what was your first reaction when you got to know that this is coming up?
Obviously, I'll tell you the process. When any writer writes a story, he penned down a lot more than what's there in the final script.
Right.
So I'm sure that Mr. Rajamouli must have thought of different tracks, different storylines to it, and nobody, put it down the drain. They keep it with themselves. And as far as I know, S.S. Rajamouli sir, he'll never do anything or never write or never, think of something which will go down the drain. So he must have it in his brain. And when Sharad Devarajan and Jeevan and Graphic India basically approached him for a collaboration, he must have had that thought. Yeah, obviously I have, apart from Bahubali 1 and 2, I have different tracks which are midways. It's not prequel or sequel. He was designing something prequel also to the world of Bahubali. But this particular chunk, which is Crown of Blood, it's somewhere midway, where it would have been a small track in the film, but he thought there is no point putting that track. But Sharad and Jeevan, and with the help of Rajamouli sir, they developed it to a bigger picture together. And here we are with season 1 of Bahubali, and it's Crown of Blood. So,
But like another opportunity to share stage with SSR.
first
And
time.
First time,
Yeah.
yeah, exactly.
Because nobody knew that I'd done the first part, and second part, people were waiting, but I didn't get a chance to even
Right.
see the film
But in future,
in premiere.
of course,
They didn't
you
call
wanna,
me.
Of course, you wanna share multiple times stage with
Correct.
SSR, and you wanna share screen as well with SSR.
Yeah.
What dream do you have, in mind? Ki what kind of character or what kind of genre you wanna? speak?
मैं तो सोच रहा था एक फूंक मार दे मेरी तरफ, थोड़ा सा एक ऐसा कुछ उड़ के ऐसा जीनियसनेस मेरे अंदर आ जाए थोड़ी सी. But yeah, it was a great experience. Yeah, the kind of wise and intelligent guy he is, and we all know that he's a visionary. And the best part, what he thinks, he executes in the same way. There is no, midway to it. Will execute to the T what he thought of. So that's the best part, and very less people in world they do this. We can think of something in a vast scale, but whether we are able to execute it in that way, that's a question. And he does it to the perfection. So I think sharing a stage and working with him again, it's a very different experience, and the kind of confidence he gives you, that is the best part.
Exact the experience as an actor, you always wanna work with such.
So I had to ask him. He asked me in the first when we met last time when you were in Hyderabad. So I asked him. He said, "How are you?" I said, "Just waiting for your call."
Exactly. Like you wanna blindly trust him.
Yeah.
Give me whatever.
Yeah, you can.
I'll do it. Right. But aren't you like the actor inside you is crying out loud? कि
100%. I'm crying. I'm very vocal about it. That I want to work with him on screen. Hopefully, he'll call me.
But no, with him as well, and as an actor.
As an actor only, on screen means as an actor, I want to
In
work
general,
with him.
You're asking world to give such huge roles to act in the screen as well.
Yeah, obviously I'm
Not
asking,
just-
but the time will come. I'm not in a hurry. I'm here to stay.
But what do you
So
think?
देर सवेर कभी ना कभी किसी की तो आँख खुलेगी.
But what do you think stopping makers from?
I don't know. I think it's.
Is it the persona that you have created?
No, it's a calculation which they work on. There is no persona or something which I believe. The calculation can be on a different ideology or different
Right.
way. They might think that it's what do you call it, feasible, but they might be wrong also, and time is proving them. Most of the time they are wrong.
But like there's another factor that when you come from regional cinema or television, often makers look at such actors, look down on them. Do you think
Not really. Not really. Nowadays, that in every industry, people from different industries are working. Like in Hindi, there's actors from Telugu, Tamil. They are acting. So the differentiation is gone, or maybe the medium has gone. A lot of TV actors are doing pretty good in OTT and films. They're getting good roles. So it was, I think, 10 or 12 years back, it was like that, because the middle medium was not there, which is OTT. Now the transition is much more easier, and people don't look down upon actors who are coming from TV or something like that.
Exactly. So there's another series that you're doing, Legend of Hanuman.
Yep.
And I really wanted to ask, like there's one thing when we do spooky films, कुछ spooky incidents भी हमारे साथ हो जाते हैं. And now you're doing a spiritual, like mythological film, Legend of Hanuman. आपके साथ ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट हुआ, स्पिरिचुअल इंसिडेंट? क्योंकि जेंजी खास करके आजकल उनको भी काफ़ी इफेक्ट्स दिखने लगे हनुमान चालीसा के, एंड दे आर गेटिंग इन दैट डायरेक्शन एज वेल, स्पिरिचुअलिटी. आप इस तरीके को, इस वे को किस तरीके से देखते हो?
नहीं, I would counter it in a different point of view. If I start getting in that zone, then I might not perform Ravan the way I perform. I have to be anti-God that time, and I can't get into that zone. So I never think in that area that Shri Ram is a god or Hanumanji is a god. I have to see them as as enemy who is attacking my kingdom. So I can't think. It's not really, as an actor, you have to do everything. Yeah. When you play a villain, you can't be how Sharad Kelkar do a bad. You are that character that time. So while dubbing Ravan also, I am the character of Ravan. I have to think like Ravan. I can't think like normal Hindu guy who worship Hanumanji and Shri Ram. I have to take them as enemies.
Right. So जाते जाते we have a short rapid fire.
Okay.
It's a Bollywood. It's a Bahubali quiz.
Okay.
Basically.
मर गया.
So, let's see.
हाँ. Because now the old Bahubali is gone, a new Bahubali and characters and okay, fine.
But it's simple. I
Yeah,
guess.
please keep it simple only.
Okay. So in how many languages Bahubali 2 was released?
How many languages?
Yeah.
Four,
You're close.
5 and lately it released in Chinese also
Okay.
and English also, I think. So I
But
think
at that time.
that time I
originally-
think 5,
Okay. Yeah.
6,
4.
5, no, I think. No, Kannada they didn't release, I think. Correct. So
But like
Telugu,
that time
Tamil,
it was
Malayalam
four.
and Hindi,
And
correct.
then, as you said, Chinese. English.
Chinese, English and then.
Okay. Full name of Kadapa.
Mama.
Best. Mama Shastralao.
Mama. He never calls him Katappa, so I never,
Right.
it's
Okay.
always Mama.
Okay, so what is the symbol used on Amarendra Bahubali's armor? I think this.
This, yeah,
It's
either it's sun or it's lion, not
Not lion. But
sun.
it's an animal.
It's an animal. देख लो भी लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पर। अरे घोड़ा है इधर। Horse. Better to be
It is
smart
like
rather
look
than
back.
intelligent.
Yeah, it's horse.
Horse.
Because it's like, fast and
Yeah.
furious and sharp. Okay.
वो तलवार कहाँ है मेरी?
What was the name given to Mahendra Bahubali by his adopted parents?
Shiva.
Yeah. Perfect. How many tattoos did Shiva draw?
Shivdu actually they used to call him.
Yeah.
Correct.
How many tattoos did Shiva draw on Avantika's
On his
hand
back.
and shoulder?
Here. One was here. I think 2.
Yeah.
2, right. One was on when he's on tree,
Yeah.
under the water one, correct, 2, right.
Two.
Yeah.
One on shoulder and one on hand.
Hand, correct. When she puts her hand in the water, he draws there and one, the snake wala jo scene hai, correct.
That's it. Then thank you so
Not
much.
not
guys,
bad,
for
huh?
watching.
Not bad. I have great memory.
Yeah, I mean just one, I guess. वो भी close था.
हाँ,
पाँच
हाँ,
मिनट.
ठीक है चलो.
Great. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank
and
you.
Do follow us and don't forget to watch Bahubali Crown of Blood.
Don't forget it, please do watch Bahubali Crown of Blood on Disney Plus Hotstar, releasing 17th of May. And it's today and it's for 8 to 80s. And I know everyone loves Bahubali. Hi, this is Sharad Kerkar and you're watching me on Pop Diaries.